my name is Damon from iProtect, and today I'm going to show you how to install your smart security system. Right here we have the control panel, which is the brain of the system, door and window contacts, we have a motion sensor, a camera so you can stay connected, and a panic button for your security purpose if you need an emergency. So let's get it started. Turn the panel on the right side for the power button. Press and hold for 3 to 4 seconds or until the light turns green and starts flashing. This indicates it's going into the initial setup stage. Here you're on the welcome, press start. First settings, set up your Wi-Fi. Look for your SSID, put in your password, connect. Next step is checking the system. Right here, the panel will be going through all the functions, making sure everything is correct. It'll check in your power cord, the battery, RF sensors, power G sensors, and so forth. So just give it a few, let it go through.